Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can convert images into PDF without using any software. It's simple, quick and easy. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First I am having these two pages in JPG format and I want to convert them into PDF. So how I can convert into PDF? Simply select those and right click on it and click print. Here you have to select Microsoft Print PDF 2 pages and you can select the orientation as well in options. Click here portrait and click OK. Now you can see it's portrait, and if you want to fit picture to frames, click on it. Either you can uncheck this and select here as per your size. I will keep it here A4 and click print. Now you can see that we have been redirected to PDF save. We can write here name of the file. We will name it JPG to PDF file and save. Now we can see that these two images we have converted into one file, that is PDF file. This is how you can convert image format, or you can say JPG format, into PDF file. This is very easy and quick way to convert image into PDF. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.